Prime Minister Narendra Modi on July 20th appealed for a productive monsoon session of Parliament, urging MPs to ensure meaningful debates based on facts and logic instead of disruptions. Modi said there was no need for chaos or raising voices if arguments were backed by evidence. He added that every voice should get an opportunity to be heard, calling it the true role of Parliament. His remarks came as the opposition prepared to raise issues including the alleged Ram Temple donation theft, the NEET UG 2026 paper leak and E20 petrol. The Prime Minister highlighted India's recent achievements in space, technology and infrastructure. Referring to the successful launch of Vikram 1, India's first privately developed orbital rocket, he said it reflected the limitless potential of the country's youth. In an apparent swipe at Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, Modi remarked that he was referring to a young innovator and not a 56-year-old young man. He also said India has continued to grow despite global disruptions caused by the West Asia conflict, claiming the country recorded 7.7% economic growth and remained the fastest growing major economy. Modi also highlighted the inauguration of a semiconductor plant, a major oil refinery, and India's first hydrogen-powered train, saying these milestones reflected the success of the government's reforms and the growing confidence of Indian innovators.